Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the FRP. So if you forgot your device Google account password and etc, by using this method in MIUI 10 or 11 you can fix the Google account issue. So this is Redmi 6A. Right now I am going to show you on this device. So this device thumbnail will be this only, and title will be also how to unlock FRP of Redmi 6A. So leave it, let us start the video. So I am going to complete the setup. It is asking me language and it is asking me region. So if I try to set the region it will take more time. So after clicking on India I will take you directly to the next screen. So guys, I have selected the region and I have continued to the next step, and in this case it is asking me to add a Wi-Fi network. So I have OnePlus Nord Wi-Fi, so let me connect it with my Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is not showing here. I will again click on this. So it is showing my Wi-Fi. So let me enter the password guys. So I have entered the password. It is saying the app obtaining IP address, and let me continue to the next step. So it says terms and service, and clicking on agreeing. It is checking for the SIM card. I am skipping this step because I don't have any SIM cards, and it is checking for the update. So this is the main step guys. Here it will show your Google account etc. So your device should be charged fully. In my case I haven't charged. Sorry for my broken English. I haven't shooted videos from the past 1 year. That's why my English is completely broken, and my mother tongue is also different guys. That's why I am unable to speak properly English. So if I shoot videos regularly then I will be able to speak it properly. So it is checking info, and here it will show you the Google account. So I don't know that Google account, and I have also lost that particular SIM card on which I have created the Google account. To reset the password we need that mobile number. So as you can see there is no any skip button, and it is showing you something. This device was reset to continue signing with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. So you need to enter the previous account only. So in today's video I am going to show you how to fix this issue. So firstly come back to this screen and click on India etc, and click here on add network. So click on this add network and type here www.youtube.com. so you can type this youtube.com. So you have to type this and just click on this and click on this share button, whatever you say, and it will open the YouTube directly in your device. And search here for our channel. So let me type. So you have to search for our channel and it will show below. So as you can see this is our YouTube channel, and you can subscribe this channel to support us. And after opening my YouTube channel you have to just go through my description and open any link. So right now I am opening this link and it will redirect you to browser directly. So no problem, you can open the default browser. It may good but it is banned. So no problem, we are using the browser, and just close this tab, open a new tab. So here type Apus Launcher APK Pure. APK Pure. So you have to download this launcher. So let me open this website and let me download this APK. So after completing of download I will take you directly here, and it is downloading guys. So I am not going to pause this video so that you guys will tell this is fake video. So right now I am not going to pause this video, and as you can see the launcher is downloaded. And if you have any doubt guys then you can check the time above, and this is not any fake video. So click on this unknown source and install this APK. Complete the setup of this APK. So after completing of installing it will scan for viruses. It that's the Xiaomi's Betichot security app, and it is scanning. And click on this open, so it will ask you to search for something. It will ask you to complete the setup, so Appus is preparing for me. So let us wait until this completes. So you can also see the time above. So simply what you have to do is, after installing this launcher, you have to open the setting APK. So it will show you so many things. Just ignore all of this and just open the settings, guys. So firstly you will find the settings here. So this is the launcher setting, not that one. So come here to S. After PQRS you will find the settings here. So just open this and click on the system settings. So after opening this, as you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, and click on the lock screen and password and set a screen lock. So let me set a screen lock pattern. So right now I am going to set a pattern. So as you can see, I have set a pattern. So it says connect at least 4 dots, and I have set a pattern, guys, and just confirm it. And once after confirming, you have to see here whether password is turned on or not. So after doing all of this, just click on the home button and come back. So this is 2GB RAM device, so it lags a lot. And after completing this, just click on this reboot button. So your device will reboot, and I will take you directly here after completing of the reboot. So I will show you time also if you have doubt. So I will take you directly here after reboot. So guys, as you can see, the device is successfully booted, and you can also see the time in my Redmi Note 4. So let me keep this device aside and let me concentrate on this device. So this device is asking for me the pattern which I have set just now. So just enter the pattern, guys, and it will take you again to the setup screen. So as you can see, it says connect to network, and I have already connected previously before reboot, and it will say all of these things. Just follow this video correctly so that you will be able to continue and set up the update, set up this all of these things. So it is checking for update. So let us wait until it completes and click on start up as new, and here it will ask you to enter the Google account or password. So you have to enter that password which we have sent just now. So it will not show any pattern. I have just entered. If you have any doubt, you can just play back this video or replay this scene so that you will be able to confirm. So just enter it. After entering the pattern, it will check some info and it will continue to the next steps. So let us wait how much time it will take. So as you can see, it is showing skip button. So just click on this skip one and you are done. So after clicking on this skip, it will tell all of these things, Google services, etc, etc. So it says adding finishing touches. So let us see what happens. So it says signing to MI account. So let me click on skip. So this process will not work in MI account locked device. So you need MI account mobile number. Without that you can't do anything. You have to visit service center. So it will show some ads. Just click on the skip button after loading. I am clicking on skip, and it will say something cache. So just click on this and your device will be work as usual. So you will not face any issue. You will be able to use it like previous device. It means like new device. So you will not find any Google account, and if it asks you for pattern, then you have to enter the pattern which we have set just now. So it says loading apps. After completing of loading, I will take you directly here and I will show you time for your confirmation. As you can see, 8:39 minutes. So I will pause the video and I will take you directly here after loading of app. So guys, as you can see, it redirected me to the home screen and it is asking me to set a launcher. So I am using system launcher. So as you can see, the system launcher is right now loading, and your device should be charged more than 50%, otherwise you may face issues. And this is a 2 GB RAM device guys, you will face a lot of issues in 2 GB RAM device. So let me uninstall all of these bloatware, and there are a lot of banned apps, so ignore that, just use this device, you will not face any issue. If it asks you for pattern, just enter the pattern what we said. So thanks for watching the video guys. Subscribe to our channel, like and share it with your friends so that it may help others. Thanks.